What if one of the most important U.S. air bases in the Middle East suddenly erupted in flames? On March 6, 2026, that's exactly what happened. A powerful explosion rocked Ali Al-Salem Air Base in Kuwait, a base used heavily by American forces. Thick black smoke filled the sky, fires burned near the perimeter, and videos from the scene began spreading rapidly online. But this wasn't just another isolated strike. This was one of Iran's most intense attacks in the Gulf in recent days. To understand why this happened, we need to go back a few days. In late February, a massive military confrontation began when the United States and Israel launched major strikes against Iran. The operation targeted key military infrastructure and high-level leadership inside Iran. Iran responded with a sweeping retaliation campaign, launching missiles and drones at U.S. military facilities across the Gulf region. And one of the main targets? Ali Al-Salem Air Base. This base isn't just any airfield. Ali Al-Salem hosts the U.S. Air Force's 386th Air Expeditionary Wing, a critical unit responsible for logistics, airlift missions, and regional operations across the Middle East. Think of it as a major hub that keeps American military operations moving, transporting troops, supplies, and equipment. That makes it a high-value target in any conflict. On March 6th, explosions were reported near the base as projectiles, believed to be Iranian missiles or drones, approached the area. Footage from witnesses shows a bright explosion near the base perimeter, thick columns of black smoke rising into the sky, fires burning inside or near the facility. Air defenses quickly activated. Kuwaiti and U.S. systems, including Patriot missile defenses, attempted to intercept the incoming threats. Some projectiles were destroyed, but not all of them. Earlier satellite imagery from previous strikes already showed damage around the base, collapsed roofs, damaged hangars, and impact craters. The March 6th strike appears to have added to that growing damage, marking another successful hit in Iran's ongoing retaliation campaign. There were also unverified reports circulating online claiming dozens of Kuwaiti soldiers were injured, but official confirmation has not yet been released. As with many events in active conflicts, details remain unclear. Interestingly, the attack happened the same day U.S. Central Command reported something unexpected. Iran's missile launches had dropped by nearly 90% after American B-2 bomber strikes on Iranian launch sites. Yet this strike shows that Iran still has the capability to hit major targets in the Gulf, and that means the region remains on edge. Ali Al-Salem Air Base has now been hit multiple times in just a few days. Each attack sends a clear signal. The confrontation between Iran and U.S. allies is far from over. The question now is simple and worrying. Was this the peak of Iran's retaliation or just the beginning?